And we're back for another XDP manufacturer Q&A. In this one, I'm joined by Victor from Fox to go over their line of factory race series shocks. So Victor, how does the combination of a race-developed piston and dual-speed compression adjustment contribute to an upgraded ride experience?
Well, the larger piston is going to ensure lower operating temperatures and pressures within the shock absorber, thus enhancing the dampening characteristics, so for full performance. As far as the DSC adjuster, it's going to allow the driver to fine-tune that ride, increase compression by 25% over the off-the-shelf tune.
What kind of testing do these shocks go through before they reach the customer?
Well, there's multiple levels to that. There's the on-road performance, how the vehicle reacts on the street and highway, considering that majority of the people are going to spend the life on the road, but as well as off-road testing as well. We have a facility in the Southern California desert in Placer City where we do many hours of off-road testing out there to ensure that the suspension can perform equally both off-road and on-road as well.
What types of vehicles are best suited for the factory race series?
I would say it's going to be intended for the driver who really pushes their vehicle, abuses it, definitely uses it in off-road events as well as towing. Many of the components on the factory series shocks are shared from our motorsports shocks as well, so the quality of the components are there.
Now, how customizable are these shocks? Can they be tuned to a specific setup?
Yeah, for the most part, since the shocks are 100% serviceable, it allows the customer to rebuild the shocks when the time is right. But also we have the ability to revalve the shocks, whether it's direct through Fox or through a third party. Our shocks can be retuned, essentially providing a new valve stack depending on the vehicle, the weight, and the type of driving the vehicle does.
Is there anything else that you think people should know when it comes to these shocks?
Yeah, I just want to stress on the fact that our shocks are 100% vehicle specific, so specific for that application. In addition to that, we cover a wide variety of lift sizes. It could range anywhere from stock height all the way up to 6 inches plus, depending on the application. And as far as the design, the assembly, the parts that we source are still here in the United States.
A big thanks to Victor from Fox for taking the time to give us an inside look at the factory race series shock absorbers. To learn more and to get a set for your truck, head on over to xdp.com today.